You are going to love the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, tires, front all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.